Hi, this is Russell Franks, and I'd like to tell you more about how WebFormZ for iMIS works with the WCM software from ASI. If you're not already using WCM for your iMIS member portal, you should think about this option, as there's some cool new features, particularly in iMIS 15.2, that make this an attractive option. In this video, we'll take a look at the WebFormZ iPARTS that are available to control access to forms, the settings used in WebFormZ to publish automatically to WCM, and the way the form can look in WCM. The WCM template we've used in this video is the 1700 template from the iMIS 15.1.3 version, and of course the new templates in iMIS 15.2 can make the visual representation of the forms even more attractive. What we're looking at now is an iMIS 15.1.3 WCM based website. What you're looking at are the standard iPARTS that we include with WebFormZ. There are a number of iPARTS included with WebFormZ, and these can be used by any member of staff who's comfortable with iPARTS and WCM publishing. Of course, it is optional to use these iPARTS, but they provide a useful way to show a public user a list of forms that are available for completion, or part completed, or submitted, and of course from that screen it's easy for a user to view any submission that's been made on the system. Let's take a look now at the back office settings. This screen is available to iMIS full users only and controls the automatic form publishing process. When a form is created, you have the option of publishing to WCM or not. If you want public users to be able to complete the form, then clearly this is a good idea. You can find the settings in the WCM tab of the Forms Builder, and in this tab you can control in one place everything you need to control. These settings allow you to publish a number of pages along with the actual form, which together controls the public user's form completion experience. The pages you can publish include the Apply page, which is shown with information before you can click the Apply Now button. The Form page is a design envelope in which the form is presented. Then there's a confirmation page, a View Form page, and also an error page. All these pages are of course HTML, and you have access to a full HTML editor. For a good designer, there is no presentation limit. In this example, I've added tables, background colors, graphics, and even a YouTube video. At the bottom of the page are the automatic publishing settings. These allow you to control where in your WCM website the form is published. You can control the WCM website, the specific menu, and which pages are published when the form is built. Forms can be tested on your iMIS test site prior to being finally published, and you can use the WebFormZ import-export feature to move forms between sites for final publishing. Let's look at what the WCM form looks like. Clearly in your system, the forms will be in the branding and style of your organisation, but the principles will be similar. Once WebFormZ has automatically published your form, it will be visible and can be selected. When you click on the form, and you might see just the form or a full form process depending on the options that have been selected during the form build. In this example, you see an HTML page that can contain text and graphics, and then if you want to apply, you can click on the Apply Now button. When you make your decision to apply, the form page is then shown. There are some differences between the way a form is shown on WCM as compared to the iMIS back office. In a WCM rendered form, the pages you've created will be shown as Next Page rather than by tabs as in the staff interface. In both back office and WCM, if you've specified rules, then the form can show iMIS details which can be read-only or saved back to iMIS on form submission. Forms can be created for a single or multiple submission, and form fields can be made mandatory or can be validated or not validated. To fill in the form is easy, and when the answers have been given, just click to save or return later, or submit to submit now. We will also be making an option available to publish forms that can be reused and not submitted, and are just designed to save data and update iMIS. These will be usable from iPARTS and will be an easy way to create an enhanced MySite experience for members. So what we have shown you here is a little insight into the great new features that are available for forms publishing in iMIS. This is a great way to get more from your iMIS CRM system and to improve your organisation's productivity big time. Thanks for watching.